There's a distinct bias and prejudice that is widespread against motorcycle riders. That bias is held by the general public, and it poisons insurance adjusters, lawyers, and judges. People think oftentimes that if a rider gets into an accident and is injured, it was something he or she signed up for, that was something that they should have expected when they bought the motorcycle. That's a prejudice, but it's not the law. The law is that the motorcyclist has the same rights to the road as any other legal vehicle on the roadway. And in order for a motorcyclist to get full compensation, their lawyer should not just be able to say that, but should believe that. They shouldn't be talking to their client about the client's injuries that they sustained on the motorcycle, and in the back of the lawyer's mind, they're thinking, that guy was crazy to get on a bike in the first place. I ride. I was involved in a serious motorcycle accident. I broke my wrist, my ankle, and 7 bones in my back in a motorcycle accident, and I put on 120,000 miles on my motorcycles since the accident. I don't blame the rider. I believe in the rights of the rider. I have represented motorcyclists at the highest levels in federal courts defending their constitutional rights. I am a proud rider. I'm a motorcycle rights advocate, and I will not let my clients suffer because of that bias. I will demand fair compensation for all riders, and if they don't have an attorney that is compassionate about their rights, as I am, they're in the wrong hands.